Sainath Balak Mandir Chinswad is presenting before you its project Students Holistic Development through Synergy of Teachers and Parents. Let me share with you all a story. A couple, Mr. Rajnikant and Mrs. Nisha Belsare, dreamt of starting a kindergarten school in a sparsely populated small village, Chinswad. Mrs. Nisha is a self made woman who believes if you love what you are doing, you will be successful. The zealous Mrs. Nisha, after getting the Montessori training from Solapur, started Sri Sainath Balak Mandir on 10 February 1972. The evolution of the school from a small sapling into a colossal banyan tree is indeed stupendous. The school has indubitably had an upward graph and created its own unique position in Pimpri Chinchwad area in the last 48 years. The meritorious students of the school have reached great heights and brought glory to the school with their countless chronicles of success. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The unaided school decided to limit its activities to pre-primary education. With the encouragement of the executive committee members of Sri Sainath Shikshan Sanstha, Dr. Anil Dhamne, Professor Rajnikant Belsare, Dr. Pushpa Taikalamdani, Mr. Prasad Ganpule, Dr. Shilpa Gauri Ganpule, and Mrs. Vijaya Dhamne, the school has carved its unique place in Pimpri Chinchwad. The devoted principal Mrs. Nisha Belsare and teachers Mrs. Revati Naik, Swati Kulkarni, Pradnya Pathak, Manase Kumbhar, Avni Honak, Pradnya Joshi, and Yogini Deshpande are the trailblazers of the upward march of Sri Sainath Balak Mandir. Up till March 2020, the students, teachers, and parents, they were doing amazing things in the traditional physical school setup of chalk and talk. However, the unexpected outburst of the pandemic altered the context of human life completely. In this unprecedented situation, the closure of schools impelled Sri Sainath Balak Mandir to replace the traditional classroom teaching with the online teaching and to develop its own unique strategy of teaching. WhatsApp as an asynchronous tool of teaching and learning was decided to be used. The school chalked out a course of action by using the WhatsApp platform, which would provide a smooth and free of cost interaction amongst teachers, students, and parents. The subjects covered in the project they range from recognizing numbers, counting to craft, then drawing to introduction to basic English. Let's talk about the execution of the project. One small step can lead us to the bright future. Principal Mrs. Nisha Belsare and the teachers ran to the parents and informed them that the course would be covered through recorded videos on the WhatsApp platform. The teachers prepared videos and hands-on material covering the syllabus. The school gave the parents textbooks, workbooks, craft material, and photocopies of assignments. The teachers were entrusted with the responsibility of a group of students. Every Monday and Thursday, they made WhatsApp calls to students. The teachers took this opportunity to establish a rapport with students. The orientation of the parents was done through the speech of the principal in the form of a video clip. Testing the performance of the students was necessary in order to understand their comprehension and grasp of the subject. This terminal examination was conducted with the cooperation of the parents. The progress of the students was discussed with the parents and appropriate suggestions were given to them on every Saturday. Along with one-to-one conversation with the parents on WhatsApp, Parents Community Forum was started by the school. The school planned different innovative activities in order to make the teaching and learning a fulfilling experience for both the students and teachers. Benjamin Franklin says, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." Let us see some innovative activities conducted by the school for the students. The school designed different assignments for the students, focusing on the development of their soft skills and hard skills. Enhancement of creative thinking skills was done through hands-on activities. The problem-solving strategies were developed through games. Work culture among students was developed by encouraging them to do household jobs. They were taught to make idols of Lord Ganesh. The craft work enhanced their creativity. The school organized different competitions like storytelling, solo dance, mono acting, model making, collage making. These competitions imbibed the sportive spirit among students and also enhanced their creativity. The teachers demonstrated interesting scientific experiments to the students and ignited the spirit of a scientist amongst them. The Ganesh festival was celebrated with great zeal in Maharashtra, and thus the students were introduced with the Indian culture, imbibing the students the patriotic spirit. The Independence Day was celebrated in a unique way. The students were encouraged to wear the school uniform at their home, recite the national anthem with the flags in their hands, and the photos were sent to the school. The students were introduced with different professions and their social roles. The school taught the students Sanskrit hymns for bringing clarity in their speech, and even the basic English was taught to them in order to help them to compete in the globalized world. The school also organized interesting activities for parents. One such activity was essay writing competition. The topic was the role of parents in the holistic development of children. It was enjoyed by the parents and it created a sense of belonging for the children's development amongst the parents. Now let's see the key benefits. Students, they got the quality time of their parents. They could cope up with the adverse situation due to the innovative activities. Their soft skills and hands-on skills were enhanced through the different activities. Teachers enjoyed the new tool of teaching and used their creativity. The teaching lessened the stress of pandemic. Parents. The school helped the parents in coping with the pandemic by providing opportunities for the holistic development of their children. The parents were relaxed as the education of their children continued despite the pandemic and economic crunch. In the words of Malaya Yousafzai, let us remember one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. At the backdrop of new normal post-pandemic teaching learning scenario, the current online teaching is going to continue. The traditional chalk and talk method, physical congregations and classroom setup will emerge with its new avatar. Kudos to Shri Sainath Balak Mandir and Shri Sainath Shikshan Sanstha for writing the success story of the project. The credit for conceptualizing and undertaking such an innovative project goes to Principal Mrs. Nisha Belsare, and the credit for the successful execution goes to her team of teachers and of course parents.